Okay, good morning. So once again, this is JR Alcaraz. For today, I'll be introducing this finance app nga ako na-discover named Bluecoins. Okay, so kung wala pa mo yung naka-download, just go to Play Store. For Android users, search Bluecoins. And just install. Okay. Actually, nana ko yung tutorial before, but I decided to create a new one kay medyo hanap ang ako ang pag-record. So we have transactions, example transactions. You can just screen capture it or isulat niyo sa papel, or you can just copy it since I will be putting it in the description. So 6 examples of transactions lang. So let us start. So Bluecoins. So just indicate Philippine peso. Okay, daghan siya currency available but we'll be using Philippine peso. And I'll be introducing the interface. So natay menu diri. We have the main dashboard, the calendar, categories in budget. Actually daghan siya lain features, no? Account setup if you wanted to add another set of account titles, pwede. So trash, labels, blah blah blah. So but for this tutorial, let us just focus on the basics. So let us go to main dashboard. Remember that our first transaction is the receipt of salary. So this is a personal finance app, and that is why the transactions are personal. So sweldo, so wala siya sales, wala siya revenue. So let us just focus on a personal usage. So you will be clicking this button diri sa baba, kaning pula nga na ay plus. And the receipt of salary, kung ano makadawat kag salary, it is an income. So just indicate income. And just pwede na ito butangan diri ag label, salary. Amount 10,000. Okay. You could also add notes. Pwede ka magbutang diri og say 15. Okay, 15 ikakinsena nimo salary. Something like that. Okay, just also indicate kung cash ba na siya. So dire sa atong asset part, we just natay cash, natay wallet. So we'll just use the default one. So okay. So after recording that income in the form of cash, pinagi sa sweldo, we can actually see the summary of transactions. So makita nato siya, nasa dire 10,000. And if we go to our balance sheet, nasa balance sheet pud, no? So we have here the asset, liabilities, and net worth. So in real time, ma-update dayon ang ato ang balance sheet. Since we were able to get 10,000 pesos cash, so nadungag siya sa atong asset in the form of 10,000, and also sa ato ang net worth because it is an income. Also, we have here net earnings. This represents the income statement. Wala man tayo expenses, no? Pero naatay income. So 10,000 net earnings nato for now is 10,000. Okay, let us record the next transaction. Paid bank loan of 5,000. So in the strict accounting sense, pag mobayad kag bank loan, dili man na siya expense. It is just a transfer of payable sa imoha. It is just a reduction of payable. But for purposes of Bluecoins, and since personal app man po ni siya, panggamit nimo sa personal, so we can just simply use or categorize it as expense. So butang nato diha loan. You can include the butang nato sa BPI. Amount is 5,000. Okay? Note, BPI, something like that. Pwede. Okay, so asagi ka ng kwarta, so sa wallet mamon to ato ang account niyan ay sulod. So check. So you can see it indicates a red tapos naka-minus siya. So adto ta sa atong balance sheet. So as you can see there is atong balance sheet, ang nabili na lang is 5,000 because nakadawat og sweldo 10,000, nagbayad tag loan nahimo nga 5,000, so nang bilin 5,000. If we go to our net earnings, makita nato dire natay expense nga 5,000 sa others. Ato siya sa others. So makita nato siya nga gibayad nato siya sa loan. And net earnings is 10 minus 5, so 5,000. So again, it is updated real time. Next transaction, we have purchase food. Assuming gigutom ka, gusto ka magpalit og pagkaon ngadto kag 7-Eleven. So again, that is an expense. So pwede na tayo butang lang food. Okay? 200. So again, indicate nato kung asa nato siya ibawas. Then ito na to limang inasal. Para ma-aware lang ta when we review our expenses, ma-remember nato nga kung asa nato siya gigastos. So, okay. Actually, pwede pa ta mag-add direct picture kung naatay resibo or kung gusto nimo i-document kung asa ka nag-add to, pwede. Check. So, we'll already have 1 income and 2 expense transaction. So again, punta tayo sa balance sheet. Asset 4.8 na lang. And also net worth 4.8. Net earnings 10,000 minus 5.2 4.8. Next transaction. Purchase of load. Mas dako pa si load no kaysa sa sa food. Okay. Ito na to smart load. Check. Next transaction, paid electricity. In our case, Nordeco. 1,000 pesos. Okay. So, check. Pwede po nato siya ibutang dire ang October electricity. Just to indicate the month. Then, as you can see, sa atong balance sheet, our cash is 3,300 na lang. So, kung matingala ka anong 3,300, just click this icon, then makita nato. So, natay 10, minus 5, minus 200, minus 500, minus 1,000. Kaya naging 3,300. So, as you can see, nasa running balance dira sa my wallet. At the same time, in our net earnings, makita po nato 10,000 income, 6,700 expenses, net earnings is 3,300. For the last transaction, demo transaction, we have this deposited 1,000 to bank. So what will happen here is ang atong 3,300 nya cash, ang 1,000 ana is i-deposit nato sa bangko. So again, add transaction, but instead of charging it sa expense, we will be using the transfer option. So what happens in the transfer option is we will be transferring one account, the amount of one account to another. So in this case, gikan sa atong cash on hand or sa wallet, ibalhin nato siya sa bank. So butang nato, let's say deposit. Let's just tag this one as deposit. Amount is 1,000. Okay? So as you can see, diri na siya arrow going to the left. This is the source of the account. The amount. In this case, wallet. So kaning padulong sa right ni arrow, this will be the amount kung asa padulong. So in this case, i-deposit na siya sa bank in savings. So let's just deposit say BPI yapon. Okay? So when we check this one, okay, we already have a transfer transaction. Adto ta sa balance sheet. Our balance sheet remains at 3,300, but the breakdown is already different. Because kung ganina 33 naa sa tanan sa cash, this time ang 1,000 ana is naa sa bank, and the 2,300 is already still in our cash on hand or wallet. Net earnings, it will just be the same. So basically that ends our demo, short introduction of Blue Coins. So if you have other questions, and don't forget, you just comment in this video, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, for more Blue Coins tutorial. That would be all. Thank you so much.